Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over the S&P 500 or ETF ticker symbol SPY. Today the SPY or the S&P 500 is up 60 basis points, and on the technical side I do believe we may be heading higher, but on the forecast model we may be heading lower. But let's go over the technicals. On the 1 hour chart, we have the RSI close to being overbought, so that may take a while for us to reach the price level resistance. I'll point out later. We just turned positive on the 4-hour MACD. That is a bullish sign. And let's go back to daily chart. So the next resistance, other than what we made on the high, the next resistance price level will be dating back to last year. And last year of January, which is roughly 286, and that price movement, let's draw the price resistance from now to there. That movement will be approximately a move of 1.7% up, and the price support will be the 50-day moving average. That's the only daily or the next support that's most reliable, since we've been bouncing on and off of the 18 and 9-day moving averages. So I do believe this will be the next point where we may touch in next coming days, and that goes in line with the forecast model. So from now to then, this price movement will be approximately, let's expand out, from now to then that price movement is roughly 2% down. And let's check the next module. On here I will be comparing the current trend right here, and with this trend dates back to March 4th 2011 to December 3rd 2010. So as we can see, the trend as itself is very similar. This current trend, we have a strong upside for several weeks, as well as the trend in question. This trend was also strong for several weeks as well, and it slightly dipped below the middle Bollinger Band. If you're not familiar with the Bollinger Band, it's a tool used to measure price level and volatility. So it made a slight dip right there. Same as in this instance, it made a slight dip and it got right back up above the middle Bollinger Band. And we see the action here as well. We'll just make this a rectangle, and this will be purple on the current trend. This will also be purple since it's above the middle Bollinger Band. So we have 1, 2, 3 points that are identical roughly at the same time. 1, 2, 3, same thing. Let's check the forecast model. The reason why I use this forecast model, we have reason to believe similar trends tend to be similar outcomes. So let's go to here. Currently this is on day 0. We'll go day by day where S&P 500 will head to. So this is 1 day out, 2 day out, 3 day out, 4 day out, 5 day out, 6 day out, and 7 day out. Again, the trend that we just took a look at or compared it to was March 4th, 2011 to December 3rd, 2010. And it does look like back then the S&P 500 took a dip of 2.6% down, fairly close to where we estimated on the technical chart. on the 50-day simple moving average. So that may be a possibility in next coming days, but overall, we may steadily head up as long as we get positive news on the China trade talk, and that is all. If you enjoy this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.